Hi, I want to give a quick review on this tool bag I got here. It's from Rough Enough. It's got zippers on it, or real nice quality zippers. The material is high quality. It's got mesh pockets that you can see through, so you can see with the tools right in there. You've got removable pouch. I've got a lot of my wrenches and stuff in there, so you can just take that right out and lay it next to you and start working on whatever you're working on. It's 12 inches long. Got a bunch of tools in here. You can see in here that it's high quality mesh, and it's got a carabiner clip that you can remove off of it, and that can just loop onto your belt or belt buckle, belt loop, and hang that bag right off your side. It's got a back zipper on it too, so you can put more stuff in there. It's ultra light, and I farm, so you can see the cattle there. They want to say hi. But I think you'll really like it. It's high quality, and I use it in the four-wheeler, take it around tractors, throw it in my truck. I've got some tools handy dandy right with me. Highly recommend this bag by Rough Enough. You'll like it.